Have you ever wondered how the chicken on your plate gets from farm to table? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of U.S. chicken farming, from hatching, growing, and processing to the grocery store shelf. Stick around to discover the surprising journey of America's favorite protein and what makes it so safe, efficient, and humane. Across the United States, over 9 billion chickens are raised each year for meat. Behind this number is a sophisticated, highly regulated process that ensures safety, efficiency, and animal welfare. Join us as we follow the journey of a chicken from hatch to harvest, a process that combines tradition, technology, and care. Everything begins at a hatchery. Fertilized eggs, laid by breeder hens, are collected and delivered to temperature-controlled incubation facilities. These eggs spend 21 days in warm, humid incubators that mimic the conditions of a nesting hen. On day 21, chicks hatch, weak, fluffy, and ready for life. Within hours, they are vaccinated, sorted, and packed for transportation. Hatcheries take great care to ensure biosecurity and cleanliness to prevent disease at this early stage. Chicks are carefully loaded onto specialized trucks and transported to grow-out farms, facilities specifically designed to raise them over the next several weeks. These farms can house tens of thousands of birds at once in climate-controlled barns with ample feed and water. Modern poultry farms use automated systems to maintain consistent temperature, airflow, and lighting. Chickens are given free access to a nutritionally balanced diet made from corn, soybeans, vitamins, and minerals. No added hormones or steroids are used in U.S. poultry farming. It's actually illegal. Veterinarians and farm managers monitor the birds daily, ensuring their health and welfare. Animal well-being is a top priority, not only for ethics, but also for food safety. Over the course of 6 to 7 weeks, chicks grow rapidly, from just a few ounces to over 5 pounds. Selective breeding, nutrition, and good care all contribute to efficient growth. Once birds reach market weight, it's time for the next stage. Birds are carefully and humanely gathered and loaded onto transport vehicles, typically at night when it's cooler and calmer. These vehicles are designed to provide ventilation and reduce stress. They're headed to USDA-inspected processing facilities, where strict standards for humane handling and hygiene are followed. At the processing plant, chickens are humanely stunned before slaughter. Trained workers and automated systems handle every step, from defeathering and evisceration to chilling. The USDA mandates continuous inspection at every processing plant, ensuring each bird is fit for consumption. Meat is then sorted, weighed, and packaged according to product type: whole birds, breasts, thighs, wings, or processed products like nuggets. Once packaged, chicken is chilled and stored in cold environments to preserve freshness. It's then transported to grocery stores, restaurants, and export hubs around the world. The U.S. is one of the largest poultry exporters, supplying over 150 countries. The journey ends at your table, as grilled chicken breast, buffalo wings, or a comforting bowl of chicken soup. Behind every bite is a complex, coordinated system involving thousands of farmers, workers, veterinarians, and inspectors working together to bring safe, affordable food to millions of homes. U.S. chicken farming is a testament to innovation, efficiency, and responsibility. It's not just a process, it's a promise to feed a growing world with care and integrity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to learn more about how your food is made.